so see here we have Mama. There's their mother. There is basically Mom's twin back there. She came in with Mom. And before Mom and her came in, this little one came in. Lindsay. Hi, Lindsay. That's Lindsay. She's a bit shy. Hi, Lindsay. This is Leah. Hi, Leah. Hello, baby Leah. You're so pretty. You pretty girl. You guys remember these little monsters, the twins? Him and... Where's the twin? There he is, at my feet. There's Mommy. Her name is Lily. Sam named all of them. There's Shadow. You've seen him. Oh, goodness. He's climbing my housecoat. Lily. They're all so friendly. So Lily here is going in tomorrow to get spayed or fixed or whatever you call it for a female. Hey, so she doesn't have to go through this ever again. These babies, I think, drive her crazy. Every time she wants to have, look, they all swarm her. And she just wants to have some pets. She's young. She's not very old. Just a couple years old. Lily, my sweet girl. My sweet girl. So she'll go in to get fixed and be done with this mess. Hi. Hi, Leah. Oh, look at that. See, she's so sweet. She's a really nice mom. Really good. Good girl. Where's these other babies? Look at they're climbing me. They just climb me. They're just nuts, these babies. One's under me. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. So we got 5 babies and Mom in here. So once Mom gets fixed and is all better, she's going to go up for adoption. So hopefully she's not here too much longer. Not that I have a problem having her, because I love having her, but because I want her to get into her forever home. So because Mom is so friendly, the company thinks that she was either lost or abandoned, because she's definitely used to people. She's a sweet girl, super kind, super friendly girl, and super comfortable with people. So that's sad to think that she was lost or abandoned, but she's going to find a good home here soon. Ooh, as soon as she's fixed, she's going to go to a good home. And then all of her babies, hi, sweet girl. All of her babies are going to get a good home as well. Hi, Leah. Hi, pretty. She's beautiful, that one. So this is our entertainment. But these babies, oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing? They are 8 weeks old approximately on Thursday. It's going by so fast. So they are going to go for their needles, and then they're going to go up for adoption. Who is doing this? Who is attacking me? Who is attacking me? Hi. Hi. Chaos. Chaos in here. Oh dear. Ow, 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 someone's biting my toes. Oh, that hurts. Okay, you need to stop it. It's you monster. Jeremy swears he's keeping one of the gray babies. I don't think we need to keep any of them, but he does. He's the big boss man. Look at you, you're just pretty. You're so pretty. She's so well behaved, this one. The other ones are all little terrors. I think she's the only girl of the bunch. That's probably why she's well behaved. Oh my goodness. Can you get out of my clothes? Get out of here. Get. You're bad. Hello, pretty. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, beautiful girl. What are your babies doing to me? What are your babies doing? Look at them. You guys are bad. Are you bad babies? Go away. You stay away. Golly. Oh no. Where are you? He's up my clothes. Oh my land. Pretty girls. Ow, 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 Shadow, that hurts. Oh my. Looks like I need more birdseed. All right, now that all that's done, I'm gonna go for a workout. So have a good day and I'll see y'all in the next one.